Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video, and today we're talking about GameStop and the broader market, and it's been a pretty crazy day today. So let's get into the bad news before we actually get into the good news, because this is not the end, it's certainly far from it. So GameStop is currently trading at $192 a share and 20 cents, which is down 6%, 6.23% on the day. So if we just have a little look at the daily chart here for GameStop, you can see it started the day at around about 199,200. Even got highs of up to 203, and then has been going down all day. Even hitting lows of 184.5, but it's settled at about 192, and is even actually up a little bit on the post market to 193.13. So what's happened? It's gone down today. Is that a bad thing? Yes. Is it a bad thing in the grand scope of things? Not at all, because if we just take out the chart just a little bit, even go past, when's this too? 9th of September. This isn't even the lowest we've been since the 9th of September. So everyone's saying, oh no, this is it, it's over, everyone sell. It's not really that bad. It's not even as bad as it was on the 9th of September. So I identified this floor before, this 176 floor, and we haven't broke below that. So I think that is still pretty good news. So can you please give a like for that good news? Because I've seen a lot of people online saying that, oh, this is it, this is the start of the collapse. No, it isn't. This is not how, this isn't it at all. We know what's going to happen with GameStop. We know what's going to happen in the future. So why fret over a little down day? If you're interested in buying, it's a great day to buy. But other than that, I can't really see anything too much more to talk about on that. So let's just move on to the next part of the video. The reverse repo number. We actually hit an all-time high of 1.224 trillion. So that is good news for the Moas as well. A little bit of a down day, but an all-time high on the reverse repo. I'll take that as a win, I think, on the whole. So that's good news that the reverse repo has gone up to 1.224 trillion. So let's see how long that's the highest of all time for. I have a sneaking suspicion it won't be the highest for very long, because it just keeps on going up and up and up. So I want to take this site here. I'll leave a link down below. This is Finwiz, and they have a S&P 500 heat map. And if we just look at the market in general today, or the American market, everything has been hammered apart from a few small sectors. I believe that's what, Pfizer up a small amount. I don't even know what that company is. Don't know what that company is, but you can see there's some airlines that have gone up a little bit, 3% with the news of travel opening again in the US. But on the whole, the market is dramatically down. So yes, GameStop's down 6% for day, but if we just compare it to, let's pick one there, you know, Nvidia's down 3%, Amazon's down 3%. Nobody's saying this is the end of the end of Amazon, sorry. So yeah, just to put things in perspective, a lot of companies are down today. I want to see if I can find the highest. KLZ, HBAN. Banks are down. Banks are hammered pretty hard, but no one's going to say let's sell off our bank stops. Oh, there you go. Caterpillar Inc.'s down 4%, so no one's saying let's get rid of all of our Caterpillar stock. So don't be too worried about GameStop in the short term. Activision Blizzard down quite a bit as well. So you can see that the market on the whole is down for today, probably due to the news that came out of China with what's going on in their markets. But you can see there's many factors for things going down. If we just go to our final graph here, this is the S&P 500 for the day, and you can see we are down almost 2%, 4357.72, so $4,357, and down almost 2% on the day. So if we just want to look at some quick technical analysis on that, we'll just quickly bring up a parallel channel here just to show how the stock, how the market's been doing. I would say this is probably on the high side, and then if we bring it to the low, which would be here, when you can see it has. And then let me just take this back a little bit. I mean, if we include the bottom of the pandemic, we're still safely in this channel here, and this keeps on going on and on and on. So we are far out from any sort of same move as the pandemic. And if we just bring this in a little bit closer, sort of take the pandemic price out, even then, this price was the lowest, so we're still trading safely within this channel. In fact, we were towards the high side of the channel anyway. We've always been on the upper side of the channel. So this little correction here isn't too much to worry about right now anyway. And if we just look at some moving averages as well, these are normally things that are very useful to look at. So let's just look at some moving averages. We'll do the, we won't look at the 9-day, that's too close. What we'll do is we'll go a bit further out. We'll look at the 200-day. you can see that we are well above the 200-day moving average because of that. So let's just knock that down a little bit. Let's go to the 100-day moving average. 100-day as well. We've actually broke below the 100-day, and it's not been below the 100-day since, what, back end of October. So if you bought once it dropped below, then that would have been a great buying opportunity as well. So once again, it's gone below, probably a good buying opportunity. It hasn't broke below the 100 since the pandemic in May. So these have been great. That's held for quite a while. And if it's gone below that, it's gone straight back up. And finally, let's just have a look at the 50-day, because that is a shorter moving average. You can see here, 50-day has acted as a strong support line. It has broke a few times, but then shot back up immediately after. So it's acted support for what, the last since 2021, and this is broke below it. So some real tests here for those moving averages. See where the support is, but in the grand scheme of things, GameStop not a sell right now. Don't be too worried about it. 6%. The market itself, I mean, what it's up. Is this even true? Up 16% for the year. And it's only, it's October, so if it continued at that rate, it would have been up 20% for the year. I mean, if the market's going up 20% a year, then we're all going to be millionaires soon. So I can't be expecting too much of that to happen. So a small correction's fine. I mean, it's down 1% on the month. It's 2% on these 3 months. And as I said before, if it was doing that constantly, that would be, 15, 20% gains. So clearly, we can't just be getting 20% of money for nothing just by investing in the S&P 500. So yeah, I just wanted to bring a quick little update today. I've seen a lot of doom and gloom, and we are far from doom and gloom. It's just a little blip on the market itself, and GameStop has been hit a little bit, but as I said, still up. It hasn't hit this level since the 9th of September. It still hasn't broke the newly established floor, which was 176, and it's long before this time we were in August. We were only $52 a share. Just quickly want to have a look at AMC, see how our other friends at AMC are doing, see what happened to them. Oh, they got hammered today as well. They're down almost 8%, and they went from what, $43 to $38, and is now back up to 40. So our friends at AMC have also been hammered pretty strong today. But if we just take out the chart once again, when will I see $40? Well, they've actually broke below. They didn't have the big moves that GME had in September, but it's put them back to the end of August, where in the end, the middle end of September. I don't think the stock price going that far back, or that back in a month, isn't that much progress if you believe in the DD and believe in what's going to happen. A little blip never hurt anybody. Right, guys, just want to say thank you all for watching. Give a like on the video. I haven't decided what to title this yet. It's probably going to be something a bit clickbaity for jokes, but as I said in this video, there's nothing to worry about. I think it's all going fine. So yeah, please give a like, and I'll catch you guys next time.